Hey, so a bit of a different video today. We're not concentrating on these three bikes. The reason I'm saying two rather than three is because the third one has gone off to the powder coaters. The CB125 is away, it's out of here. It should be back this week from the powder coaters, so we can carry on with that. Exciting times as well with these two other bikes. I have some wonderful news to tell you about, but I'm not going to do that just yet. As I mentioned, a bit of a different video. We're going to visit Jish. So for those of you who remembered my top 5 upcoming YouTubers to look out for, under 10,000k that was at the time. Congratulations to the Motorcycle MD. I know that he has gone past that 10,000 mark, so Cody, a big well done to you. You deserve it. You're a font of knowledge. For those of you who haven't found Cody's channel yet, check him out. His knowledge and his passion behind Hondas and everything, amazing. Go check him out. But today, unfortunately, we're not visiting Cody. We're not going all the way to the States. We are visiting, however, Jish. Jish is building his 125, and I thought I might as well go say hello to him, meet him. I've never met him before, but we've sort of conversed over the tinterweb, over social media, all sorts. I quite like his ideas, I like what he's doing. So today I'm gonna go meet him, finally, say a quick hello, spend a couple of hours, I can't spend too long, other commitments, say hello to him and see how he's doing. So, let's do it. Right, one thing I need from here, oh my god, this is such a mess. Oh, how do I get over there? I was working, let's put that down there. Working late last night on the seat, drilling new holes in and things. How do I do this? I need this lens. We need a bigger boat. Actually, before I start driving, I'm just gonna quickly record this. I can't record whilst I'm filming, obviously because I can't use my hands and drive. It's illegal in this country, unfortunately. But the reason I want to go and see Jish is, as I mentioned, I'm really interested in his build and I'm interested on his take on building. He does things that are quite unorthodox. He experiments with ideas, so if you followed his channel, if you followed his build, then you'll have seen his laser engraved seat, and he's experimenting, and I really like that in build. I think builders in general need to do more of that, myself included. I mean, I've seen so many builds evolve and change the shape of the cafe racer scene, and I think it's for the best as well. It's the only way that these bikes are going to get interesting and more interesting, otherwise we're just going to be producing the same kind of bikes day after day. I'm really interested to see his build now, so let's get on the road and let's see it. What shall we say? What shall we say? Right, so today I've finally met Jish. Is it Jish or Josh? People don't know he's Josh, do
yeah,
they?
that's it. My real name is Josh, but the kind of nickname and why I call the channel is just Jish.
I see people don't actually know my name either.
No.
I refuse to give people my name. But I'm finally here with Jish and Buffy, and he's stripping the bike down now, so I've had a quick look at the... Stop biting me! I've had a quick look at the bike. I'm going to strip it down now, so it needs stripping down. Yeah. Send it to the powder coaters, and I'm battling here with Buffy at the moment. But it's great to see the bike.
Yeah.
It looks different to what it does in the videos. It actually looks bigger. I was saying to your girlfriend just then, it looks bigger.
You reckon?
Yeah.
I always thought it looked smaller in the... Well, in video I thought it looked bigger in the video, and in life it looks a little bit smaller. Well,
it's a narrower frame.
Yes, it's very narrow, very small.
But that's the, I think the length of it is the same. It's just the frame. I think it's narrower. The frames I work on are only sort of 230, so it's only 4 centimeters bigger. It's
a small little bike, and you know it's going to fit me because I'm not the biggest of people. I'm only a little spring, but that's what it's for. It's built for me and
the bike shed.
Yeah, and the bike shed.
Just get working now.
I know.
Just do it.
That's what I'm doing. Taking it all apart. All this hard work. It's all going to come apart. I think we're going to get a jack and we can brace it from underneath by the engine, and then we can then just take the front end off. All this will come off loose and nice and easy because it's all kind of Sorry, didn't mean for you to be there.
Buffy, you're getting in the way, are you?
Still all like loose at the moment, the wiring, but yeah, we'll tidy it all up. The plugs though, I'm really pleased with these plugs. They're all like the proper waterproof ones and nice and easy. And it doesn't matter if we put this one on this one, it'll all still work as well, which is quite cool. Have I got to...
Tap's closed, is it?
Yeah. I've made that mistake. Getting that chain to line was really kind of like tricky, as I say. I had to kind of like... It was a guesswork, but at the same time I had to kind of like do it to precise measurements, otherwise it's going to like be off whack and all that. And you can see how close it is to this tyre. I don't think it's going to be an issue when I kind of do come to ride it, but... And again here it's kind of close, but I think when you've got the rider sitting on it and it's got that compression, it does push away from the swing arm. And it didn't, when I did actually ride it last time, it didn't kind of knock or rattle or anything. Right now it's quite kind of loose, but...
Worst case comes to worst, just put a bit of, you've probably got a bit of 3 or 5 mil Foamex here, haven't you? Just put some of that there, because that's what they usually do
like
with...
a wearing plate, yeah.
Yeah, especially with motocross bikes, they've got a lot of those.
That was it, that's what I'm planning on doing. But all this side, this is the scary side, how close everything is on the braking side. If you can see these dowels here, they are so close to the bracket, but they do all just miss. I'm planning on kind of like maybe just shaving them down, just to kind of like give me that little bit of tolerance if anything does like expand from heat and all that. But it's all learning with experience, kind of making it fit. I didn't know all this was going to be put together and made fit.
You've got a blackboard marker anywhere?
I do actually, yeah. Choose a colour.
I'll choose red, because that needs to be scrubbed out.
It actually does, but this was the thing I already kind of knew it might have been beforehand, but...
24th? 23rd?
25th.
25th, but you need to get it there before then, don't you?
I guess 24th, yeah. That's the day I need to get it ready for.
Shall we say goodbye now with your very girly llama bag? Look at that. Nice to meet you.
See you later. I'm saying goodbye to the dog first, I'm sorry. It's like goodbye.
She gets priority always.
Yeah.
And so there you have it. I'm back in my own workshop now. I've met Jish, a really sound bloke. So Jish, thank you for having me over at your place today. Only a couple of hours, but I can see more collaborations in the future. We can go out for rides, obviously. It's not that big a distance between us, and I've also invited Jish around here to this shop as well, so he can come by whenever he wants. That invitation is always there. And interesting bloke to speak to, interesting build. I know that the bike is actually going after the powder coaters as well, so it'll be even more interesting to see how that comes back and see how that progresses. This week, let's change arm. God, this camera's heavy. So this coming Friday, it'll be the CX video, 6500 video. And also, we'll be doing more work on the GS550 next week. Exhausts for both these bikes. In fact, I have sent the exhaust for both these bikes away to be welded. I can't weld exhausts, that's one thing I'll admit to. But the exhaust stance on the GS550 is changing, and also we need, obviously, a new exhaust made for the CX500, so that'll come back. all on go. Got the CB750 is all going on here at the moment. So subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to keep up to date with all these 3 builds, please do so. And I will see you this Friday. So until then, safe riding.